Good morning, beautiful. Okay, hope you have a beautiful day. We're gonna jump into charts for Bitcoin. It's just before sunrise, which is amazing. And guys, I've decided I'm not gonna do my hair anymore. I'm not gonna wear shirts. I live on the beach. I woke up before sunrise. I guess it's gonna be a self-defense mechanism for people who are judgmental. If they're too judgmental of my hair, of my no shirt, then they don't get to learn this knowledge of abundance that I give to people for free. And if they don't want to learn it, it's up to them. So I'm just going to do what makes me comfortable. I'm too rich to wear shirts on the beach and brush my hair, and couldn't be bothered. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, do quick technical analysis. I'm going to show you my trades. Pocket pumped yesterday, Doge pumped yesterday, Bitcoin hit 70k and then bounced off. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Look at this. Link was up 10%. World 5%. Pocket 5%. Doge 1.9%. Ethereum 3,898. And Bitcoin 69,700, hitting 70k on the long weekend. The long weekend is now finished. Right? It's Tuesday. Yeah, long weekend is now finished. So let's see. It looks like it's going to pump. No pullback on the long weekend. Stochastic turning up. Look very bullish. On the weekly, stochastic turning up. Volume dropped off, but it's expected it was the weekend. Crypto Guru bot fired a blue buy in February 2023. Still a blue buy now. You get it in the master course. Bitcoin broke out again from this trend line. You can see it's bull flagging. It resisted, came back in, and again broke out and pushed out. It came down to a strong support of 66,400. Looks like it's going to pump out. Stochastic turning up. Let's go closer on the 4 hourly. Stochastic turning up, volume dropping off, but again, it was the long weekend. No pullback on the long weekend, which is interesting. I would still take these two trades that I set before. I need a bit of a pullback because I can go heavy long. Going heavy long here is very dangerous for me because if there's any pullback, it liquidates my trade. I need to open it long on some big pullback on these two supports. So these are the two trades that I'm trying to catch on the top. The time for me to go heavy long and very big longs was back at 16k when I was making these videos last year. I've been making videos for 4 years now for free. When I was making them last year, when we were buying and going heavy long at 16k, that's when I was going heavy long. Now I have to be very cautious. I only go heavy long on big pullbacks. Yesterday's came a bit not really 60. So I want to set these two trades, the ones I had from yesterday's video. 64,440 is one trade. Stop loss is 64,400 open, 64,000 stop loss, risking $379, target 88k to make $24,000. Where can you risk $379 to make $24,000 without leverage? 10x leverage is $240,000. That's the safe, riskier trade, pulling back to 64k, and the super safe trade, big one, is at 59k. I can only justify going heavy long here on this support because too dangerous to open a heavy long anyway. And this one is 413 to make $30,000 with no leverage, 10x leverage, $300,000 per Bitcoin. Those are two trades I take on Bitcoin. I mean, if Bitcoin does pull out here, it looks like it is going to shoot out. So if you want to catch, this is very risky trade, but trying to catch this potential pump, opening a trade from this support, stop loss straight underneath. It either fails because when you're this high up, you need to quickly try and catch trades that break out, or instantly hit stop loss, because if you try to hold on to them, you can't, because if it pulls back even a little bit, the leverage, the margin you would need to try and catch that leverage is so difficult. And this is the riskier trade I'll take, opening at 69,290, stop loss 68,970, and take profit 88k, risk towards 62 times, risking $319 to make $20,000 with no leverage. But I won't take that trade. Too risky for me to go heavy long so close to the top, but it is potentially a breakout. I would rather take these two trades on a pullback so I've got more potential profit on my trades, because easily it can pump out here and then come down and liquidate everyone. So I need to take it more on a liquidation spike and then go long. I'm going to show you my trades if you want to trade like you see me do, and then we'll jump into Ethereum. Go underneath the video. Bybit is the exchange that I use for trading. You get a $30,000 bonus when you use this link and meet their trading requirements. 2, take the crypto master course to learn how to trade, get the crypto guru bot. 3, join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you, few hundred of you trading at any one time online. Over on Bybit, you can see my account is 636k. From yesterday, it's up from 631k, so it made around $5,200 yesterday, which is beautiful. I've got no longs open, but I've got buy orders. You can see my long 64,500, Bitcoin 3 Bitcoin 60,250, 10 Bitcoin, and Doge at 11 cents. I've got 1 million Doge to buy on spot. I've got Uniswap to buy at $8.60, now $11. Pocket I've got at 10 cents, now at 13 cents, and it pumped yesterday. And Bitcoin at 58k. Most of the gains came yesterday from, so in this account, 242k cash. Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin 69k at 1%, almost 70k. It's pushing out. Uniswap slightly down, 54k, but it pumped the last few days. MCRT slightly even, 53k. I've been buying a lot, but you have to do your own due diligence and consult your own brokers and financial professionals. I was a seed investor in a lot of projects, so I'm buying some of them that I've already seed invested. Pocket up 5%, which is beautiful, 40k. World up 4%, which is beautiful, 38k. Doge up 1%, 36k. That's what I'm holding in these positions right now. Let's go into Ethereum, and then what's nice, so Bitcoin, I don't want to buy Bitcoin here. WorldCoin pumping out. Ooh, finding strong support. Look at that, big support here now starting to form on WorldCoin at $4.30. So my buy is at $3.60, maybe not going to execute. Let's see, is there a pattern forming here on WorldCoin? There is some kind of pattern here. Sideways channel, it's going push, bounce. $6, $4.20. $6, $5. $6, $4.50. $5, $4.50. You can see that pattern. Safest area but is to buy at $3.60 on some big drop, some nuke. So on World, I would put buy orders at $3.60. I'm going to add it here. I'll buy more at $3.60. $3.60, I'll buy 20,000 at $3.60. $3.60, 20,000. Confirm. Now let's go into Ethereum. And I want to set low buy orders now, everyone. I don't want to set easy. Look, Pocket bounced off, came down, hit 12.5, and then strong bounce off. Whoa, nice. Volume starting to increase, but it is trending down at the moment. So we need to get a confirmed double bottom. Doge already broke out. Oh, it's going for it again. Look at that. Doge trying to break out again, but it's at heavy resistance of this big descending trend line. You can see here this descending trend line and this descending triangle, but it is trying to break out early right now. We either break out right now or we get rejected, which should be the normal. Get rejected, come to 11 cents and break out 70% of the move. But if it does try to break out early now, which it looks like it does, it is trying to do. So let's see how Doge reacts. I've already got my Doge position. Ethereum 3890. Weekly time frame. Double top, but broke out of this big descending triangle. Time to catch a long, trying to get it off a big support, which would be, I would say, major support to try and catch a long on Ethereum would be here. If you can try and get in at 3,200. Getting in now quite difficult in my opinion, but it does look like it is going to break out. Stochastic turning up, volume increasing. 4 hour stochastic turning up. Volume dropped on the long weekend, but still pushing up. Trying to catch, I mean, this is a risky trade, but opening this one, 3,517, stop loss 3,450, take profit 5,335. Those are my trade setups. Those are my orders. Again, all the links are down below underneath the video. The exchanges, the courses, the Telegram, and you can see some of the comments from some of my students who've taken my course. Bought your course a few months back, took profits, bought a new Harley Davidson Road King. Your course is amazing. I'm buying a villa in Punta Cana, made 500,000 profit in Neo. I'm in the process of buying a $2 million house from the videos. Thank you, James. My portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of James. with his expertise. Taking his master course is a must. I made over $1 million in past 5 months. Thank you, everyone. And also, don't forget, join us in the Telegram. There's 160 of you online right now. It's free. The links are all again down below. Sharing charts. This guy went long on Link. Congratulations. I'll do Link in the next video because a lot of people requested. But the news is, this is the reason. Chainlink and Swift may announce a partnership at the Consensus Conference, May 29th. If they announce a partnership with Swift, that would be a big pump. And you can see Link is already moving. Link is already up 9% on this potential news. And congratulate, I made a video on Link just a few days ago. I posted about it, which is beautiful. Look at that move. From this support in the last 2 weeks, Link went from $12 to $19. Big resistance on Link. I would say major area of resistance. Let's clear up this chart. Okay, big resistance on Link is, we've got one big one at $22. That would be a take target. And another big resistance. These are your take profit targets. This is where you're going to get a big bounce off because of previous resistance. These target areas. Stochastic turning up, volume increasing, target $22, $28 is a big resistance, $36 a major one for taking profits. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my updates in the market. I hope you have a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And that was Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Link, World, Pocket. Managed to get through a lot of them. Have an amazing day. Hope you enjoy your day, and let's see how the market reacts today. If we push out strong on the open of the ETFs and the market again, if Bitcoin pushes out in Ethereum, which I think Ethereum will on the ETF starts buying. So Ethereum can potentially pull out. But again, the meat of the move already made when institutions, when it went from 3,000 to almost 4,000 in one moment. That means that was the meat of the move. So you need to catch these before they move like that. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.